In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online survey with Google Forms. First, open your web browser and head to Google Forms. The quickest way is to type forms.google.com into the address bar. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account. This ensures your work is saved as you go, and you can come back to it from any device. Once the page loads, you'll see a gallery of templates. Templates are handy for specialized use cases, but today we'll start clean so you can learn the core workflow. Click on Blank Form. This opens a fresh canvas with a simple default question in place. Starting from blank gives you full control over your survey's structure and tone. Notice that Google Forms auto-saves everything, so you don't need to worry about losing your progress. Next, enter the title. At the top left, click where it says Untitled Form and type a clear, descriptive name for your survey, something that tells respondents exactly what it's about. Right below the title, there's a description area. Use it to briefly explain the purpose of the survey, how long it should take, or any context that helps people feel comfortable responding. Clarity here increases completion rates and sets expectations. Now type your question. The form starts you with a placeholder question field. Click into the question text and write your first question in straightforward, neutral language. Keep it focused on one idea to avoid confusion. On the right side of the question, there's a drop-down to choose the question type. If you're asking for a selection, multiple choice is a great default. If you need a short written response, short answer works well. Choosing the right type helps you collect cleaner, more useful data. Then, type the option. If your question is multiple choice, click into option 1 and enter the first answer choice. Press enter to add more options, one per line, keeping each option concise and mutually exclusive. If you make a typo, just click and edit. If you add an extra option by mistake, use the remove icon next to it. Aim for balanced choices that cover all reasonable answers without overlap. If you're unsure how many options to include, 3 to 5 clear choices is a good starting point. That's the core flow. Go to Google Forms, open a blank form, set a purposeful title, write your question, and add the options. From here, you can repeat the question and option process to build out the rest of your survey, knowing every change saves automatically. With these fundamentals in place, you're ready to create a polished, user-friendly survey in minutes.